All right guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in La Paz, Bolivia with these beautiful mountains behind us. Absolutely gorgeous. So what is the first thing that we do every time we visit a new city?
We always do a city tour. This one's not organized, this one's just ad hoc. We looked at a couple of different places on Google Maps there and tourist attractions area, found a little bunch of them in a whole center area, said this is the place to start. That's what we're gonna do. Hey guys, all right. One of the best known things about La Paz is that it has an extensive cable car system. Kind of like a subway system that you see in all other cities, metros, everything, all that stuff. Except this is all above ground, all cable cars. I think the cable cars sit maybe 6 people. That's a really cool way to get around. And that's what we're gonna hop on now to go over to Centro. Let's see if we can figure out the ticketing system for this. It's always different everywhere we go, so let's wait and see. Maybe it's simple, maybe it's complex. Okay, we're here at the mid of August 2022. Masks are still required here, guys, indoors. So even on a travel system, when you go into any building, any public building, you will be required to put on a mask. All right guys, so the ticketing system was really easy. We just showed up at the booth, said, hey, 2 adults, 2 tickets. And then, oddly enough, no barcode, no none on them. You just tear it off. Somebody with an access card lets you through. It's a weird system, but now off we go.
And it was what, 3?
It's 3 Bolivian. Yeah, it's 3 Bolivian, whatever that currency is Bolivian. So really inexpensive. Because for Canadian currency, the conversion, if you will, is about 5 to 1. So that costs us maybe 60 cents Canadian. Wow. Oh my God, guys, you're getting such an amazing view from the cable car system. This is crazy. You have to do this when you come here. I think we can just ride this all day long and capture amazing top views of everything.
Check out behind you.
We need to just do this. Oh. All right guys, this is still a little unsettling for me. I get used to it the more I do it. But look man, it feels like you're really going down here. It's like crazy for a guy that's got a little vertigo, a little afraid of heights. But you know, it doesn't shake too much. So I guess I'm okay. And I'm getting better in planes also. So you know what, the more I'm in heights, the less I start to care. And I'll deal with it when a problem comes up, which is probably never.
All right guys, so another little tidbit. Every time you change lines, so we started on the green line, we are now on the blue line, you have to repay. Now again, it's 3 Bolivian dollars, 60 Canadian cents, not a big deal.
All right guys, we have gotten off the cable car system now. We are in Centro where we want to be. We're going to start looking for those plazas. But to our surprise, which we didn't check, maybe we could have, we were at least on this cable car system for at least 30 minutes. We covered seriously great distances. It's very astonishing how far and how few stops there are in between. Works really cool though. It's quite smooth.
All right everyone, so next stop, Plaza Murillo. So this is the Grand Plaza. It's in the heart of La Paz. It is apparently the home of the presidential palace and the La Paz Cathedral. So we're gonna check it out.
Hey guys, so we're on our way. And well, you know, we knew in advance, La Paz is a lot of up and downhill. The whole place is mountainous, as you saw from our earlier footage. So now we're just making our way uphill, more uphill. It's really intercity trekking, which is great because we like hiking. So now this is even better.
Stairs, I hate stairs.
She'll get used to it.
All right guys, we made it to Plaza Murillo. So this actually looks really quite spectacular. It's not very big, but the buildings around this little plaza are just spectacular. So there's the Presidential Palace, there's the Cathedral of La Paz, there's some other buildings that I don't know what they are yet, but we will be discovering them. Come along. Alright guys, so behind me I believe is the Presidential Palace. It looks like a palace. There's an old watchtower clock at the top. Looks really stunning. Nice architecture here.
Alright guys, there's a little confusion on our part as to which is the actual Presidential Palace, because this one looks just the same kind of, it's like maybe even a little more modern. The fact that it's got the official guards in the front, I think this is the #1 Presidential Palace. And this might be, the first one where Jose showed you, might be where he goes when he's fighting with his wife.
Alright everyone, our next stop is not a plaza, but a street. Jaén Street, so Jaén Jaén Street. It's a pedestrian walkway, cobblestone streets, colonial architecture. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the cable cars way, way, way back there. Very cool. We'll be checking it out.
Well, that's it, guys. It's 1 block long only. We've seen it. We're moving on to the next location.
Wow, everyone. Check out this street behind me. Yes, I'm out of breath because I had to climb it. We just stumbled across it. It's little vendors markets. Really adorable with the nice flags above.
Alright guys, so we've now made it to our next destination, which is Plaza San Francisco. And that's really named because of this church. But quite honestly, we thought there'd be more going on here. There's kind of, you know, there's a lot of people, but there's not much going on at this level. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit more. There seems to be a bike show. Look at that building, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the blue paint job.
All right, everyone. Today we are going to Quichua, also known as Valle de la Luna, Moon Valley. This place is really close by, 15-minute ride away. Looks really awesome. Looks like the moon. I can't wait to go see that.
All right, let's get an Uber. Let's get on over there. Guys, we have made it to Valle de la Luna after a quick Uber ride. Now let's get some tickets and let's get in there. Hola, para dos?
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is a heck of a view already. 1 minute into the entrance. Pretty cool.
Are there cactuses on the moon? Look at that. It's so cool. You want to touch because it's fuzzy, but you know it's picky. This place is already so freaking cool. and 15 Bolivian dollars
Yeah.
per person, which is like $3 Canadian. So worth it.
Yeah, you definitely get the feeling like this could be the moon, which is really, really cool. And quite honestly, I imagine they probably come and shoot movies here and stuff like that. They probably have to close it down for different productions. I could see Captain Kirk and Spock walking up on some of these stalagmites and just perch there. Yeah, this is Star Trek all the way, guys.
What's it feel like?
One small step for monkeys with a passport, and nobody else cares. Guys, this place makes me feel like a big kid again. I just think it's so cool. I just feel like I'm on a whole other planet and we got it to ourselves. Nobody else is here. I'm renaming this Monkeys with a Passport Planet. These guys have this in their backyard. How'd you like to look out your window every day and see this amazing planet? Monkeys with a Passport Planet.
The gravity's too much.
Quick, hold on to the side before you go floating off. All right, guys, so you might be wondering, what is this place, this crazy place? Look, think of it like this, as a natural wonder of the world. This is purely natural phenomenon that just happens through, I don't know how many hundreds of years, thousands of years. Purely natural. They didn't build any of this.
It's natural erosion from time.
It's a large space too. What is it, like 45 acres or something like that?
Something like that.
So you gotta kind of wonder, it's like, why here? What's with this spot compared to all the rest of Bolivia? Why does that happen here? That's what I'm thinking.
It's because it's kind of cool. It's like this cave thing.
Wow, that is cool, Joseph. Hey guys, check this out. This might be my new computer desktop wallpaper.
So guys, not only is this location spectacular, but you have the beautiful Bolivian mountainsides in the background. Jack in a box on the moon. Slow motion.
Don't do this at home, kids. Yeah, there's that in here. Oh, hey, I'm not alone in here. Oh, hey, I'm not alone. Just kidding. Hey guys, so we have made it to what they're calling the official lookout point. Like you couldn't see from all the other spots. So
I thought the whole place was a lookout point.
let's see what's so great about this lookout spot. Actually guys, it's pretty cool. You can see the canyon now, which is really cool. You can see that we were over there, then we were over there, then we were over there, and then we were over there, and we're right where they were right now. So cool. That's a really good lookout point.
All right, guys, take a look at this.
You're taking my signature move.
You don't have copyrights on it. This is spectacular. Fantabulous.
That's my move. A fiddler, but not on the roof, but on a Stigler night. It's a pretty cool place to come and play your instruments.
All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this trip to the moon. Or should we say monkeys with a passport planet?
Yeah, that's what it's known as of now.
If you like what you saw, click down below, like, subscribe. Don't forget the little notifications so that you know when a new video comes up. 5 days.
We got plenty more Bolivian adventures to come.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook for daily updates.
Yep, that's the real secret sauce. That's where you know exactly where we are.
Almost.
All right, guys, check it out. One last throwback look. Huh? This is my move.